What's up, Dingles? I haven't posted on YouTube in about 4 years, and I'm looking to get the channel back up and running again. Had a lot of reasons why I didn't post for the past 4 years, and kind of got those situations sorted out and worked out, so now I'm sharing my fishing adventures with you. So this was one from yesterday. Well, the weather was a little bit warm. Wanted to get back out again today, but weather just not cooperating with me. So enjoy the video and stay tuned to the end because I'll have some announcements. Thanks.
hard. Little pumpkin seed.
Alright guys, welcome back. Like I said, it's been a long time since I've uploaded anything to YouTube. Yeah, really, Elsa? Look, what's everybody doing? Oh, now you run off the couch. Alright, thanks. You done? Alright, we'll see you later, I guess. You're going upstairs. Like I said, haven't posted very much to YouTube or anything at all in the past 4 years. And trying to get back into it. There were some reasons why I wasn't able to. Just time. Time has been the big thing. I don't have all week to go fishing and post videos and edit them and everything else at this point right now. But full disclosure, I am going to Amazon affiliate and link everything that I use to the bottom of the video, so you guys can check that out. Anything that I'm using, full disclosure. Other than that, I'll be getting out a lot more and filming a lot more and getting these videos going. A lot of it's going to be nighttime video. It's going to be tough to see, unless you guys know of any nighttime camera that works well in the dark. You guys can leave a comment down below, maybe help me out a little bit, because a lot of the video that I get at night just can't really see too much. So I don't know how exciting that is. I mean, I can only show you after I bring a fish to the beach or to the shoreline, you know, what it looks like. Shining lights in the water at night, not a good idea. Anybody who surf fishes or does any kind of fishing at night, shining headlights on the water just to get video of fish coming in, you can shut down the bite, and that's what happens. Gonna go over a lot of tips in this again, a lot of tips. I have some video from about 4 years ago that I want to make into a little video. It'll be old footage, but it was good footage, and I actually recovered it and didn't even know I had it, and it was a great day. So I'll be posting that video coming up soon. When I hit 500 subscribers, I will be giving away something for subscribers. So please leave a comment down below if you like this video. I'm all new with editing and stuff like that. I know it's not going to be great. It's not going to be fluid the first few times. I'm working with it. So, you know, just bear with me. I'm trying. This is just everything from me, you know. Not scripted, not anything else. Like talking to you from the heart here. And I'm working on things, and I'm just hoping things will get better. I have new cameras coming in. I have a new camera that I'm filming on right now. I'll link the descriptions down below also. No, just the sky's the limit. I really just want to get back into this. I liked filming the videos before, and like I didn't have the time to sit there and edit them or remember to grab the camera, and just going full boat with this now. So, you know, hit the subscribe, hit the like button, all that jazz that you guys know you do. Really helps me out building up the channel. Tell some friends, check it out. Any tips or anything else that you guys can give me down below. I'm not the biggest freshwater fisherman, so, you know, freshwater I'm not that great. When the salt, you know, I'm just doing it to buy the time until the salt season starts, and then I'll be full boat from there, and hopefully getting some great video, giving some great tips. I'm going to be doing some tip videos coming up real shortly, just on some things that I want to cover that I don't see get covered on a lot of YouTube channels that guys have out here now. They're leaving a lot out. And a lot of it has to do with safety. A lot of it just has to do with general tips. So, if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. And hopefully check it out, and hopefully make this a great channel. Like I said, any tips you guys have, leave me down on the bottom. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking it out. And pass on the word. Have a good day.